Hey everyone, and welcome back. So what we're going to do is we are actually going to start building out some of these different screens that are going to house like things like shopping interests, categories, deals, etc. So let's jump right in. So I'm just going to close my plugin because I'm not going to need it just yet. And I am going to zoom out. Okay. Now I think what makes sense is to start just maybe, I don't know, we can pick a couple, but I'm going to start with shopping interests. So I'm going to go in there and I'm just going to name it. Now you can just follow along with me, or you can go ahead and, do your own thing. If you feel like you have enough of what you need to actually just get started, I think you should at this point, but this will be just something that you can watch just to see how I'm going through that process. So when it comes to the shopping interests and habits, this is definitely going to be a members only section. So I'm going to just make a big note here. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make a login and sign up. So like to somehow prompt us that, okay, hey, you need to absolutely sign up to go any further. So kind of like a paywall. Over here, what we're going to do is make all these member only links, and then we can probably hide the rest. I think 4 is going to be enough because what I have in store for this, I'm thinking that this is where, you can discover new products and maybe a way to see just like your general interests and maybe a way to update them. And then you have categories. So you can have a bunch of different types of, categories for the interests. And then you have maybe some deals, maybe. So, this definitely can work. So deals may be specific to your shopping interests. So I think that will probably suffice for shopping interests. I'm going to move into over here. I'm going to just do categories. And let's see. Oops. There we go. So we have categories. And I'm just going to keep these very, very open. They're going to be all public links. So we have maybe some like trending items or like trending categories. I'm going to leave that. And then we probably have like categories for specific like events, like whether that's something like, oh, it's Mother's Day or something like that, or it's a holiday. This is what you can get for your partner maybe, or your friend. I think there's definitely a lot of stuff we can do with that, which will be really interesting. And then probably I like to say that maybe every page that's like in relation to products will probably have some sort of like deals section, just because we want to push people to stay within the app. And deals are probably one of the best ways to do it, serving up like really good content like that. So, I'm on the topic right now, so let's think about deals. So deals, we probably have like trending. Oops. I know Amazon does stuff, and other larger retailers kind of do this stuff where they have like these types of like, lightning deals or like giveaways or something like that. Maybe there is a section for like giveaways. I don't know. I think that's something we should maybe explore. And then we have like maybe deals based off of categories. That seems like just like a common pattern I've seen on e-commerce sites. And oops, you know what? Maybe we do have a member only type of link here, where it's like the content is more so around deals like just for you. I think that makes sense. And yeah, I think that's going to do it for the first half here. When we get back into our next video, we are going to work on the other half of some of these links over here.